If you're looking to make a dating advice cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I want to let you know, congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a dating advice niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we could draw some inspiration from. Let's switch over to viewer mode and investigate on YouTube. Now we got to be thinking what someone interested in the dating advice niche would look up on YouTube. Hopefully this video helps us get out of the friend zone. Now, as I looked up things to text your crush, I could see that the first three options, the first and third, are great ones because they are not showing their face. So let's just go with the first one. So just by starting off the video, this is an animation, whiteboard animation style kind of video. These can be easily made yourself with softwares, or someone can easily do it for you as well. There's also most likely a voiceover narrating the video, and they're just going to be giving you information on 3 things to text your crush to hopefully get them to like you back as well. And to get information on how to text your crush, you can easily look up this information on Google. Simply just look up some articles that give you some information to put into your video. Now let's check out this video's performance. As I scroll down, the channel itself has over 10 million subscribers. The video has close to 250,000 views. And there's some great engagement as there's over 450 comments. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Comment down below, what do you look for in your significant other? Now let's just check out how this channel is doing, the type of videos that they're producing, and what kind of content that they're making. So I see that the channel is called Psych2Go, and I can see that this is more of an emotional psychology channel. They have some videos about depression, but they also have some information about just how love affects you as well. 10 signs you're falling in love. I see how your childhood affects your love styles. And 4 secret ways to make anyone chase you. Now let's see how this channel's monetization is going. Let's see how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making in ad revenue alone. So if we go onto this website gives me information of the channel statistics. As I scroll down, we can see that this channel over the past 30 days is getting close to 25 million views. And that is just some outstanding numbers to be achieving in just 1 month. And just in their monthly earnings, these guys are really close to reaching their 6-figure mark. They're ranking in at 99,000 in just the past 30 days. Imagine how that income can change your life. And throughout the year, these guys are ranking in that 7-figure mark, right? So they're making 1.2 million, maybe making even more if they're creating other monetization methods to include in their channel. So they could be having other streams of income as well. If you are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's see just how easy these videos are to make. No, you don't need an expensive camera, and no, you don't need to reveal your face in any of these kind of videos. Let's collect our stock footage and our sound. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Putting a video together is just like putting a date together for your significant other. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below as well. Now it's time to make that decision. Does this niche get the green light stamp of approval, or does it get the red light? I would say that this niche does get the green light stamp of approval. The reason for this is that there's a large audience that is very interested in the content that this niche provides. People will always be interested in how to attract others to themselves and looking at how to romanticize their relationships. The dating niche is also a sub-niche of the relationships niche. So this is also going to be some evergreen content that will stay relevant all year round. A bonus is that these videos are very easy to make, and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche as well. Now I do want to let you guys know that the videos that we did use in this video and the channels that we went over, I want you guys to use them as inspiration. Try not to copy them, and be as original as you can within your own content. This is also just one niche, so don't worry if this isn't the niche for you. We're going to be going over many other niches in future videos as well. Now let's say this is the niche for you. You now have 2 options. Option A, you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting some time as you're trying to figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have your option B. You can have the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If this is something you'd be interested in, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be going over if that niche gets the green light stamp of approval or if it gets the red light. Subscribe to Tube Great if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out that YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you do want to make money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. Peace out.